So we left here that given is A is greater than B and C is less than 0. So we have to make this proof that A dot C, that is the multiplication with A and C, is less than B multiplied by C, because here the sign is greater than, and here because of the multiplication of a negative number we get A dot C, the multiplication is less than B dot C, क्योंकि हमारे पास C नेगेटिव नंबर है और A is greater than B, ये पॉजिटिव है, A माइनस B is greater than 0. तो हमें ये बताना है कि इन दोनों का मल्टीप्लिकेशन वी गेट अ ऑपोजिट साइन आफ्टर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो हमें अभी तक सिर्फ ये पता है कि इफ़ A इज़ ग्रेटर देन B एंड सम पॉजिटिव नंबर इफ़ वी मल्टीप्लाई विद द साइन it will remain the same. ठीक है, after multiplication there is no change in the sign between A and B. So we have to make C less than 0, B minus C is greater than 0 by using the result minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Then after multiply with negative minus 1, the sign gets changed. So we get this, the if minus 2 is less than 0, 2 always greater than 0. This is the case. So after multiplying with minus C, we get no change here, because minus C is positive number, minus 2 is negative number, minus of minus 2 is positive number. So therefore after multiplying with a positive number, we left here with this one. And at last, since again minus A dot C is greater than minus of B dot C, so therefore minus of minus A dot C, this sign get changed less than, and again we have this one. And after multiplying both with minus, we have minus minus plus A dot C is less than B dot C, and if it's so, we get the required result. I hope you have understand this one. This is the case. And the fifth one is let A is less than B, B is greater than A, also C is greater than 0, C is greater than 0 हमारे पास है. ठीक है, तो therefore B minus A, this one, यहाँ से हम इसे लिख सकते हैं. Because of this we can write it here, B minus A dot C greater than 0, it implies B dot C minus A dot C is greater than 0. And if it is true, we can again write it as B minus A dot C is greater than 0, which implies B dot C minus A dot C is greater than 0, which implies B dot C is greater than A dot C. Again we have this main result. Okay, next one is that the next article to prove is prove that A is less than B if and only if A plus C is less than B plus C for all A, B, C belongs to capital R. The second one is A is less than B and B is less than C. It implies A is less than C for all A, B, C belongs to capital R. If it is so, that is a transitive property. We have to show that the transitive property holds for A and B, जो हमने इससे पहले अपने लॉज में पढ़ी थी, जहाँ ऑर्डर ऑफ रिलेशन वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड. तो हमारे पास है प्रूफ. फर्स्ट, A प्लस C इज लेस देन B प्लस C. अगर हम यहाँ से चलते हैं, तो इफ़ एंड ओनली इफ दिस विल ओनली हैपन। अब यहाँ जो हमने रिजल्ट्स यूज़ करने हैं, दैट इज़ हमने ये बताया था कि a इज़ लेस देन b अगर होता है तो इट इम्प्लाइज b माइनस a इज़ ग्रेटर देन 0, ये चीज़ प्रूव होती है। सिमिलरली वी यूज दिस फैक्ट हेयर। What is the fact? That if this happen, then b plus c minus of a plus c. This one here, this is the positive one, and this one a plus c, always greater than 0. क्योंकि यहाँ पर क्या था, a b से छोटा था, a is smaller than b, then here the difference is greater than 0. Similarly b plus c is greater than a plus c, so difference will be greater than 0. That is if and only if. ये क्या होगा, अब देखो यहाँ पे हमने बेसिक रिजल्ट्स यूज करे, इसको हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, b minus a is greater than 0. That is if and only if b is greater than a. That is if and only if we can write it in the other way, hence the result. ठीक है। और we can say अगर आपने दूसरी तरीके से शुरू करना है, जैसे कि आपके पास गिवन है कि a is less than b if and only if a plus c, तो a plus c we have started from here, we get from here, and then if we start from, जैसे हमने if and only if यहाँ पे ही लगा दिया है, तो हमें ये बार बार स्टेप्स रिपीट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इट मीन्स द बैक स्टेप्स आर ऑलवेज द ट्रू वन. तो आपके पास इफ़ a is less than b, if b is greater than a, if b minus a is greater than 0, if b plus c minus a minus c plus minus of same number, adding and subtracting of same number. ठीक है. If this happen, then it implies this one b plus c minus of a plus c. If b plus c is greater than a plus c. So either you can solve it like this, if and only if case. ठीक है.